introducing K-Beauty. K-Beauty is a brand owned by Katrina Kaif and it's quite expensive. So we'll be reviewing their liquid liner range today. We have like 4 colors from the K-Beauty range and we'll be showing them to you. The first one that is with me is Chic Emerald, and this is what the packaging looks like. This was the first one that we brought from K-Beauty. We really like this one. So this is what the product looks like. It also has the color on its head. It is shown on the head, which is quite helpful also. And the body of the product is beautiful. It's really nice. I also like the symbol of K-Beauty. Just like so many K's on the product. This one is Exotic Indigo. I wanted to buy a blue eyeliner for a very long time. This one is also quite beautiful, as you can see. There's blue color on the top. She had been waiting to buy this for months. And also I like this metallic top of these liners, which gives them a very premium look. So the next one that is with me is Hot Violet. This is what the box looks like, and this is the eyeliner. It has the color on the top and the packaging is same but with violet. So this is the third one with us. The last color that we have is it's Bespoke Blue. This color is a mixture of blue and green, and its color of the body of the liner is quite similar to the green one. There's a very slight difference. So I think I felt quite cheated with this one. Not very excited for this. It's more of on the turquoise side than of blue. So, and you can compare the heads also. This is what both the colors look like. So this is green and this one is blue. We can show you the covers also. Covers have a significant difference, but the actual products do not have a proper difference. The next thing that we bought from K-Beauty is this 24-hour lasting transfer proof, smudge proof Kohl Star Kajal. So this is what the box looks like, and this is the basic stick liner that I think everyone owns of some or the other brand. And this is what the body of the product is. It's a very simple liner, black stick liner. Nothing different about it. Also, it is placed in a very normal range in which the substitutes of this product are placed, like the Lakme Iconic or the L'Oreal Paris, liner. The MRP of this product was $249 and we bought this for $199. So the last product that we got free was this lip topper. It has the color Stunner. I'll show you the product. It's a very small product, but it's very costly if you buy it otherwise. It is for 699 rupees, but I will not spend that much. It's of the size of a finger. I have never used a lip topper. These are something like what the heroines used to use in the 90s, that metallic lipsticks. So we got this free, so we are happy with a new product to try, but not very excited to use. We'd also like to mention that K-Beauty products, they come with a proper seal. You can surely say that they are unused. The top of the liner or even the lip topper, that is not very easily removable, which makes sure that the product remains hygienic. This is one thing I liked about K-Beauty products. We have just recently received the products, but if there are any change in reviews, we'll surely be happy to share them with you. And if you like it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.
We'll be back with another haul.
See you soon.
Bye guys.